Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view download videos on YouTube. Downloading videos on YouTube is a fantastic feature for those moments when you are low on data or in an area without a reliable internet connection. Whether it's for long commutes, flights, or just saving your favorites to watch anytime. Downloading videos ensures you have entertainment ready. However, it's important to note that this feature requires a YouTube Premium subscription. Starting with mobile first, ensure that you have the YouTube app installed and you have signed in to your premium account. Open the YouTube application, then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, scroll down until you find the download section. I don't have it because I don't have the premium account. When you find it, tap on it and there you will see all the videos you have downloaded. It's a straightforward way to keep your favorite content easily accessible even when you are offline. Switching over to PC, the process is just simple but with a few differences. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to youtube.com. Make sure you are signed in to the same YouTube Premium account you use on your mobile device. On the left side panel of the YouTube homepage, look for the download section which you can find under Use section. Again, I don't have the premium version. You have to just click on it and you will find all the videos downloaded on your PC. It's crucial to remember that downloads are stored locally on each device. This means that videos downloaded on your iPhone won't automatically be available on your PC and vice versa. You will need to download them separately on each device where you want to access them offline. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.